friends, good morning. I am finally going to work out. I have missed some workout classes because my sweet angel baby went to heaven on Monday and I missed Monday, and then I didn't want to do Pilates on Tuesday, and so today's Wednesday and I'm finally working out. I have to show you my jacket. Like, everybody's all into that Lululemon Define jacket. Trust, I have so many of them too, but this I've been showing you. I think it's better because look at the corset detail, the aloe jacket. It's freaking cute. And please don't judge. I know this ish is so tight, but I used to be skinnier, and well, I'm not anymore. Like I said, I gained 10 pounds and I haven't lost it. I haven't gotten to that point where I am motivated to. So I just work out for stress relief. But is it for a weight loss, girl? No, it's not. But yeah, this is my little workout outfit for the day. I got the pants on Amazon, brown pants. The t-shirt is also Amazon. It's by CRZ Yoga, both of them. I love CRZ Yoga. It feels so soft. And then my favorite jacket. My favorite. This is literally my favorite, but like I said, you know, it's a little tight. But it's aloe, and I love the corset detail. Anyways, I'm gonna put on my snowshoes, bring my sneakers, and go, because it's time to work out. I just took Jacob to school, and then Justin is taking Liam to school right now, and I gotta go, so I'll see you after. Hello, just finished my workout. The way I was driving and then it started to snow. I don't like driving in the snow, but I did it. I really did. And I have my scraper. I'm telling you, this jacket, I got it from Nordstrom Rack, like when I moved here. I think I found it on Nordstrom Rack here. Yeah, it keeps me warm. And it has like this thingies. I don't wash this part, the furry part, but I wash the jacket. And then this keeps me warm too. This little baby neck thingy, because I had to wear gloves. This is my gloves. And scrape this Home Goods. Y'all, you can find good snow stuff, Home Goods, Nordstrom Rack, whatever. And I had to scrape my car, so I was outside for a minute, and I'm just defrosting or defogging before I drive because there was so much snow on my car. But yeah, I did it. You gotta really want to be outside when you live in Minnesota. You're gonna really want it. You're gonna really want to work out, because you could easily just stay your ass inside and not move your body. I'm just saying. But thank goodness I want to come outside. I need to. It's like mental health. Losing Bob was really hard, so yeah, I think about him. I think about his little face. I think about his little body. I think about the essence of him, and then my heart hurts. Why did I have to talk about him? Anyways, I'm gonna start driving. So this is how I drive everywhere, because ice is everywhere here in Minnesota. I have my passport, I have my driver's license in my wallet, I have it open, so in case I get stopped, and it's a quick one hopefully, and I just show them my passport and keep it moving. But it's sad that we have to do this. Hello friends, I'm back home. I'm gonna have a very early lunch. You know me, I like to eat early. And my kitties, oh my gosh, they both greeted me at the door. That was really sweet. Hi handsome, and my man. But look at Koopy Whoopy, he now has his collar. Look at that. Cooper, his name reminds me of that song. Like the beginning of the song, something coop in the lot. No. I don't know the lyrics, but it just reminds me. Hi, handsome. You want to have an early lunch for me? Shrimp tagliatelle.
Let me get another kitty.
Hey, how many pounds is Oliver now? That dude is huge.
12.
12 pounds. I promise you, I was Googling up photos of Maine Coon. He low-key looks like one without the hair, without the fur. Or you're just solid.
He's just solid, I think, Mommy.
Really?
They're friends now. They play a lot.
Oh, I won't get lip gloss on you, but I love you, my puppy, my baby boy. So beautiful. You know, Cooper, he likes to bite. He likes to do love nibbles, and I was folding laundry and I let him in my room and he bit me. But why on the fattest part of the arm, like right here? Like, why don't you bite me here where it doesn't hurt? He bit me right where it hurts. And I said, sir, I said, little dude, that was painful. That was very painful. Okay, let's go have lunch. Are you looking to have lunch too? Are you? Look at him. He's just a baby. I love my baby. He's so affectionate. He just will chill with me. If I carry him all day, he'll let me. But I can't, baby. I'm so sorry. So for lunch, it's always leftover. I'm having my coconut. I think this is my last one. So we got to go to Asian Mall soon and get some more. My little yummy coconut water drink. And then Justin and I are going to share a shrimp tagliatelle that I made yesterday. So yummy. And then I roasted some broccoli, so I like to add that on top of the shrimp tagliatelle. I'll show you like a plate that I plate. And Justin said this is a little too salty. I did add a little too much chicken bouillon. I can never get it right for him, but girl, I'll eat it. So cabbage salad again. So this is lunch, the broccoli, the shrimp tagliatelle. It's an old HelloFresh recipe that I kept because when I made it through HelloFresh, it was so freaking good. I was like, wait a second. It's delicious. And then you squeeze a lemon and it's so delightful. The way you know I love my man is this is his plate. You see how it's beautiful? And then look at my, it's not as beautiful. I always give him the beautiful plate. Always have. Yeah. Anyways, today, my workout, ooh, he's looking at me like, I ain't know that. Really? We ain't know that? Oh, yeah, and I also have my cabbage salad, but it's already at the table. But yeah, today my workout was so nice. Like, I get to work out with a gym buddy that is, like, so nice. And, like, he's just kind and always is like, if Ice messes with you, I should give you my number. And he's like, I know you have your husband, but if you need me too, I'll be there. And I was like, that's so nice. I love my workout buddies. Let's wash Justin's CPAP with me. I need to buy more of this CPAP neutralizer type of soap. But I like to just do a capful right over there. And then I put in these thingies. I should have a bigger bowl. But honestly, it doesn't matter because I will be rinsing everything off. And then I like to put some in his tube right here, like that. And I gotta make sure to wash his CPAP regularly so that he can breathe clean air. And then I like this sink so much. Like, I don't like the double. That's why we changed it, because this makes it easier when I do all the dishes. There's no thing that separates, and I love how this just comes out like that. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and wash this stuff. I swear, Cooper stresses me out. Cooper, don't do that. Coopy whoops. Come down right now. Right now. Come on. At least he listens. Thank you, baby. You scare me when you do that. I can't be mean when he does that, because then that would scare him. So I just convinced him to go the other side. Hi, baby. You can't be stalking me from up there. If you want to hang out with me, you hang out on the chair with me. Yo, like, look at that little face. Okay, I'll put you down. I'll put you down. Yeah, gentle. You see? But if you fell on top over there, that wouldn't be gentle, huh? Bing. I was gonna say the other words, but I won't. If you're Ilocano, you know what I'm saying. Hello, friends. I just picked up my Jacaroonie. I was emailing. Today's like, like email stuff day. Anyways, I wanted to share a random, like literally most random Amazon haul. Quick shine. This is what I use to make my hardwood floors shine like crazy. Like I use something else, won't work. I actually was supposed to work with a mopping company and I was filming it. And I believe I did sign the contract. And then I did it. I filmed it, I did it, I saw the before and after, and I was like, no, it doesn't work as well as what I already use. My floors are not shiny. So Justin helped me get out of the contract, because I was like, I'm not going to tell people that work good when it literally looks so crappy. Yeah, so I just gotta say, quick shine is amazing. I also like using Swiffer. Swiffer isn't for shine, but Swiffer sure does smell good, and I always have used Swiffer. This is something new that I discovered. This is my third bottle, but fairly new. It's Pinolin, or I don't know how to say it, but I used to use the original, but then they came out with this luxury scent. Baby, $2.99. Oh my gosh. I mop these floors. You see how these floors are different, not hardwood? I mop those there for sure. And then I also use it to put on like a, I mean, go watch my clean with me videos, I'll link it. But I use it on a like microfiber cloth with water and some solution, and I clean the bathroom with it. I clean walls with it. I clean my baseboards with it. Like I be on my knees like cleaning the baseboard. So this smells luxurious and I love that. And then Justin bought this grout, a cream grout. Hopefully it works because, oh my gosh, because Justin's been working on our backsplash. Do you see it? It doesn't look complete yet because it's going to go all the way up and on the other side too. But you kind of get the idea. Yeah, we asked Steve Saba for help with the backsplash design, like which one he liked. And y'all, this is peel and stick, okay? $200 for the peel and sticks instead of thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on doing it the other way. And we remember because we did it the other way, the legit way, when we lived in the Bay Area, and oh my gosh, it took forever. And I saw one of my favorite DIY mommies on Instagram do peel and stick, and my sister also did peel and stick in the house that they're renting, and y'all, it looked good. So I was like, let's try peel and stick, and Justin was kind of hesitant. And of course Saba, because he's a kitchen and bathroom designer, he, you know, it's like, what, not peel and stick? But he's so kind, and we gave him photos, and we had like AI generate photos of different like backsplashes, and he said this one was the best. You guys will see like the whole picture when it looks better, but right now it's looking a little crazy. Anyways, Justin proposed, you know how I don't know if I mentioned I was running out of my coconut water drink from Asia Mall. I buy it at Asia Mall in Eden Prairie. Well, he was like, how about we go there later with the boys? Because today, of all the days, the boys don't have any extracurriculars. Sometimes they do. Sometimes it's Boy Scouts. But like not a set date. Sometimes it like moves around. So today, of all the days, there is nothing after school. So he was like, let's go. And I was like, heck yeah. And he's like, let's go to dinner first. And I was like, heck yeah. So I'm gonna curl my hair later before dinner. We have a few hours. And then I'm gonna take you to Asia Mall with me and get some snacks. Friends, I tried this new like Kristen S texturizing spray. I usually use the Color Wow Big Hair, but this works good too. I got it SPR. I like the way my hair feels. It feels soft. It doesn't feel like anything when I put it on. I just had to share because I was like, we'll see, you know. I was like, nothing's gonna be better than my Color Wow. It doesn't give it the big hair factor, but it gives it like volume and like softness and some volume. Just, oh, sorry, my hair, the curls. It doesn't give it the high volume, but it gives it like overall volume, if that makes any sense. Like, let me show you. You see that? There's hair there. Yeah. Nice to see them playing. They're so playful. Oh, oh, oh. We are cooking our food. Jakey went to go wash his hands because he touched the meat with his bare hands. I was like, no, you gotta use a tongue. It's okay. We live and we learn.
Go ahead and put yours on, bud.
Oh, can I move that to the side?
Yeah.
Maybe flip it a little.
I found it. They have 4 left. No, 3.
This is April's favorite. You got one more, baby.
I'm gonna leave the last one for whoever.
Oh, that's very nice.
We got that. Oh, they have peanuts. I love my shrimp chips. I'll just grab
What the heck is
one.
baconette strips?
Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, they have chocolate. I love this stuff. So this is what we got at the Asia Mall. As you can see, it's literally just snacks. Because I go there for snacks. And also my coconut water. I wanted some to get so much more, but they didn't have. And then I replaced that with this instead, since there were only 3 and I got 2 of it. And then I got some lumpia for my babies and my man. And then I got this because I'm going to make tupig and a bunch of coconut milk, coconuts. Oh, and I love the condensed milk that in the squeeze bottle, because if you don't use it up, like, it's just, I love it. I love it so much. And we wanted mangoes, but it's not in season yet. So we got some pears, and then we got these, what is this? Rambutan, honey? Oh yeah, rambutan. We love this stuff. Look at, I really think that Cooper's getting bigger. Do you see it?
I don't really see it.
You don't? I really think so. He was so much smaller. I do too, but he's gonna grow.